I hate when brown envelope comes in from the letterbox. We always know it's going to be a large power bill. So yeah, just trying to get all of our power bills down. I'd say it's air conditioning and heating. The kids always seem to leave lights on in the house, and the washing machine and dishwasher always seems to be going. They're always full. Yeah, so I've got 2 kids that both go to school and are home after school and on weekends if we're not out at sport. Yeah, we work hard for our money, so every time a power bill goes, you don't see where your money's going. Just seems to be, yeah, the bill comes in, you pay it, and you don't have anything to show for it. It just all adds up. You got sports fees, you got school fees, water bill, how much they eat. So yeah, just everything adds up. Yep, just trying to save some money. We worked out our power bills quarterly were massive, so the quicker we could save some money, I think it was only going to take us 2 years and we were in front, so it was, yeah, we had to do it. I think all the rebates are going to help us, so we seem to get a good system for the price that we paid for it, so yeah, we're really happy with it. Yeah, product warranty and parts, 25 years. Yeah, it's one of the biggest warranties around. Just peace of mind that if something does go wrong, they're there to help you. Yeah, they're going to look after us if we need to. Yeah, definitely look after the local people. You go to all the bigger businesses, you're just a number. Going local, they know who you are, or they're happy to come back or talk you through it, rather than just ringing and talking to someone overseas. Yeah, we could ring up, yeah, who'd help us out with whatever we needed. These big companies, your power suppliers they've got the market at the moment, so if we start to produce our own power, it might get these bigger companies to start looking after us rather than just, yeah, filling their back pocket. Yeah, everyone needs to get solar. Yeah, support your local people, and yeah, keeps it within your town.